Welcome to the first video in a series called C2C. C2C stands for Couch to Career. So we'll talk about strategies that you can implement that are as easily from your couch and that'll lead you to a career. And my name is Sauvik Goswami.
And I'm Courtney McClellan, and Sauvik and I both work as career advisors in the Pomerantz Career Center at the University of Iowa.
Courtney and I both know that you're adjusting to life in virtual reality, and this series is going to help provide you with weekly short videos on how to help develop yourself as a student, but also to give you all a glimpse into what may lie for you after the University of Iowa.
We plan to post a new video each week on Tuesdays, and it'll be hosted on YouTube, but be sure to look at our other social media accounts because we'll post links there so you can find our videos.
And we'll have a wide range of topics. We'll make sure we talk about things like how to write a resume, how to write a cover letter, but also talk about some things that you may be facing. So, how to search for positions in this current climate, but also to keep up your resiliency as you go through this process. As an example, next week's video will be about how to network, but we'll also make sure we talk about an upcoming career fair that we have called the Virtual Career Fair on Wednesday, April 15th.
And we know that everything right now is occurring during a really weird time. So we've been really intentional to develop some topics about getting used to this virtual reality and what do these career topics look like now that this virus is affecting all of our lives. So we've been really intentional about that, but we do want you to submit any topics that you might be interested in viewing information about. We're happy to take a look at those and edit those into our series here. So be sure to leave a comment on any of our videos.
So join us from our couch to yours as we will provide you engaging and hopefully helpful information throughout our time together. So make sure that you hit the like button below and subscribe to stay up to date with us. So see you next Tuesday for our first video installment of C2C. Go Hawks.